Hi everybody,
Hello,
I'm Robert,
I'm Kat.
and this is
TLC, Fall Session 2018, Fall Session B, yes.
Yep.
And this is week 4.
Yep, class 2, or level 2.
Yeah.
We're doing odds and ends, so it's sort of the everything but the kitchen sink, stuff we don't usually get to.
Yeah.
So we started today kind of on easy stuff, yeah?
Right, kind of a move that can be called different things. We just called it taps. It can be used many different ways.
Yeah.
So
we started off, this is a 6-count basic variation, right? So normally on side to side, right? But this move plays a little bit more with coming in, and it looks like this. Rock, step, in, tap, tap, step, tap, step, tap, rock, tap.
right.
So the main way that this is different from your normal triple step is with your triple step, you're always, even though it doesn't look like it, you're always alternating feet, right? So you're never using one foot twice in a row. You're always switching, okay? But these step taps do not do that. They use one foot a couple times in a row. So for leads, you've got left and left, right, right, left, left, and left, right, right, left. So it's right, right, left, left.
Right.
Okay.
And the reason that works is because those taps aren't actually a weight change. You still have the same foot free to do the second step.
Yeah. Yeah. So once again, it looks like this. A rock, step, tap, step, tap. Yeah, the weight change is good. And this is just a nice way to kind of mix up, you know, just doing basic footwork. And the cool thing is, it works in closed.
Exactly.
Were you going to say something else? Did I cut you off?
I was just going to say that this is it's great when the lead and follow do it together, but that doesn't always have to happen.
Right. Yeah. In open especially. In closed, you tend to do it together. It looks like this. And normally in closed you can do like a sweep, but it's the same pattern. So, yeah, it's very fun.
Yeah.
The next move we did was, instead of a 8-count variation, so instead of your 8-count from closed, we called these hops, taps and hops, really original. It looks like this. So this move is a lot of fun. The trick to this is really, as a lead, I'm just surprising my follow, and normally, you know, I rely on this forearm for connection and I tend to move with it, but I can break that deliberately. So for this, instead of the rock step, I'm just moving my waist forward, 1, 2, and I keep this arm back to keep cat behind me. So you can see that I'm always using this arm to help decide where the follow goes.
And follows, you really want to stay back, you know, stay with your lead's arm and not anticipate, because that's part of what makes the move work.
Right, you need that contrast for it to show.
Yeah.
And what someone pointed out is that it's not a jump, right? We're not landing flat-footed. That's very tough. So instead, it's like a quick double step. And the pattern is leads go forward, follows go back, and it's a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. So you use that pattern. And at the end, it's not about that slow, we're kind of just trying to meet in the middle.
Right.
So you can see, rock, step, 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 ready, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Back to our basic. Cool.
Right.
So next we did a toss out.
Right.
This was our main move. It's similar to these hops. It looks like this. Rock, step, a triple, step, step, a triple, and a rock, step, rock, rock. And you can, that last half is a break. You can do whatever you want.
Right. So I was going to say the reason it works is the same thing as the hops, using that, the lead keeping his arm back while he's rocking forward.
Yeah. So unlike the hops where I'm just moving my waist, I'm actually trying to move my whole body. So it's like a forward rock step. And like Kat said, I'm leaving that hand behind. And this tension is what helps us go from this position to out here. It's very hard to do that on your own, so you use this stretch to make it a lot easier. One quick note for leads is that we have a lot of control over how this works. So if my partner is tired, or maybe if they have an injury, I can travel more to make it look like a bigger move than it is, like this. Right? Makes it look flashy, even if there's not a lot of work that the follow is doing. I'm saving the follow a lot of effort.
Right.
But you can throw the follow out too if you think they can handle it.
Right. And the follow has a little bit of control over that. If you really don't feel like doing this move, you know, you can stay put. You can also just do a pivot, like.
All right. Yeah, perfect.
Or something like that. Or you can, you know, jump farther or jump a little further. So we do have some control. And if you really, like I said, you can just stay put. Hi.
Yeah, mess around or whatever.
So, whatever.
Yeah, so that's what we covered. Next week is our last week of the session. We're going to have evaluations at the end and some more fun stuff. So we'll see you then.
Pleased to see you.
Bye.